I watch a lot of homebrew videos, and everybody talks about using the freshest ingredients and the best stuff they can get their hands on. Well, I'm going to take that one step further today, because here I am, down at the stream on my property, and I'm going to get some water for my next batch of homebrew, straight from the source. Going to fill up these 2-gallon jugs. I'm also going to fill up my personal water bottle. We're going to get real spring water for our next homebrew. You all have seen me do this in another video. If you've been around for any amount of time, check out the link below in the description. Pretty simple process with the old catted-in water filter here. Throw it right on in there and start working the hand pump. Doesn't get any simpler than that. Well, I filled up my bottle for the hike back to camp, as well as my 2 1-gallon bottles for my next batch of home brew. I find it interesting when people tell me that they're using the freshest ingredients in the world. Here, we get it straight from the source. Thanks for watching, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.